In this video, I'm going to explain how to create this kind of a flange pipe bend in SolidWorks. In here, you can see the 2D drawing for this flange pipe bend. I have a given link in the video description to download this PDF. Here, first of all, I'm going to create this pipe part. So, I'm going to create it using the swept boss base command, so that we need the path and the profile to extrude. So here I'm going to create this path. The path is going through the pipe axis. So I'm going to create first. So then I'm going to create the profile of the pipe. So then we can use the swept boss base command to extrude the pipe. Okay, let's see. Here this radius is equal to 400 millimeter, and this length is equal to 250 millimeter. Okay, let's go to the drawing. Okay, file, new part drawing. Okay, so I'm going to sketch in front plane, make it normal, and sketch. Yeah. I'm going to draw the line. So then I'm taking this point away. I'm going to take it again coincide with this point. So then take it outward. Then you can see the arc generator this way. Okay. Then this arc radius is equal to 400 millimeter. 400 millimeter. Then this length is equal to 250. This one also equal to 250. So then let's make this line and the arc tangent. Yeah, this is already tangent. Okay. So then here we are having the fully defined sketch for the path for swept boss base command. So then exit sketch. Then I'm going to create the profile to extrude along this path. So I'm going to select the top plane, go to sketch. Here I'm going to draw the profile. Here you can see the two diameters, 210 and 290. Okay. Let's take this diameter as 290. Then the thickness is given here the 40 millimeter. Let's make offset. Yeah, select this one. Offset reverse direction 40 millimeter. Okay. Okay, exit sketch. Okay, now we are having profile and the path. So then we can use swept boss base command to extrude this profile along this path. Then first you have to give the path. This is our path. Yeah. The sketch 2 is the profile. Then the path we have to give the sketch 1. So then you can see this kind of pipe we can create in this way. Okay, then let's see how to create the two flanges. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and go to sketch. Select the circle. Then again pipe. Make it coincide with this inner edge of the pipe. So then this flange diameter is equal to 500 millimeter. Okay. Okay. Then we are going to extrude this one. The extrude thickness, I'm going to the reverse direction. The extrude thickness is equal to 30 millimeter. Okay. Then we are going to create the holes for the bolts. So then again I am going to select this face and go to sketch. So pitch circle diameter, that is equal to 400 millimeter. Here the radius is given 200. First of all I am going to do the pitch circle diameter. millimeter. Convert this line to construction geometry. Okay. So then let's take another horizontal line. Okay. So then let's sketch the holes. This is equal to 30 millimeter. Here the 30 millimeter. Okay. Okay, so fully defined. Okay, then we are going to use the Extrude Cut command. 30 millimeter. Yeah. Okay. So that again I am going to select the sketch on this plane. So then draw the hole. Take the radius as center as this coincide with the same circle. In this time the diameter is equal to 60 millimeter. Here you can see the 60 millimeter. So the depth is equal to 10 millimeter. So then again I'm going to use the Extrude Cut. This time the depth is equal to 10 millimeter. There are 6 holes. So I'm going to create these 6 holes using the circular pattern. Click on the circular pattern. So then the direction I'm going to give this direction by selecting this edge. Okay. So then the features to pattern. These are the features we need to pattern. This one and this one. Okay, click OK. Okay, there are also a chamfer edge in here. So select this edge. Click chamfer edge. 10 millimeter chamfer with the 45 degree. Okay. Okay, this is you can see the flange. So then same procedure we have to follow for this when creating the flange for this end also. So then again I'm going to use the circle. This diameter is equal to 500. Then I'm going to select this edge and offset entities. I'm going to make it 0. Okay. Within features, extrude. So the reverse direction. So I'm going to do the thickness of the flange 30 millimeter. Okay. Then I'm going to create the holes. First let's draw the pitch circle for the holes. The pitch circle diameter is equal to 400 millimeter. Then make this line to convert to geometric constructions. So then again I'm going to draw the center line for the vertical or horizontal vertical line. Okay, so then I am going to draw the hole. The dimension is equal to 30. Okay, so then the features, extrude cut 30 millimeter. Okay, so then again I am going to select sketch on this plane, circle. This time the dimensions equal to 60 millimeter. Features, extrude cut, the depth for this cut is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, again I am going to use the circular pattern to pattern this to make 6 holes. Okay, go to the circular pattern. Then I am going to select the edge to give the direction. Along this edge, number of holes 6. So then the features, 4 features to pattern, this one and this one. Okay, so then for this edge, chamfer edge is equal to this one. Okay, this is how we are creating this kind of flange pipe bin using the SolidWorks. So then whatever the rendering you want, you can do. Just change the appearance. Yeah, let's take the bronze. Then here you can see this is the final look of the flange pipe bin. Okay, this is how we are creating the flange pipe bin in using the SolidWorks. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.